Assalamu alaikum friends and viewers, it's me Hamza Amjad Rana, the student of Form D from UOS. In our today's discussion, we will discuss about a new medicinal brand that is most commonly used in the world is Flagyl. To have a complete overview, you must need to watch the video till end and subscribe my channel if you people are new on the channel. Now, without wasting your time, let's move to the video. So the active pharmaceutical ingredient of Flagyl is Metronidazole, that is an antibiotic or antiparasitic agent. It is used against a wide variety of infections and also for Helicobacter pylori infections. Flagyl is available in 3 different dosage forms: infusion, suspension and tablets. Infusion has the potency of 5 mg per ml, suspension has the potency of 40 mg per ml and tablets has potency 200 to 400 mg. And now, mechanism of action of this medicine. Whenever we use this medicine, it diffuses into the infecting agent and inhibits protein synthesis by altering DNA structure and causes strand breakage. Due to this, the death of the organism occurs and we get rid of this infection. What does the body do with this medicine? It is given orally and absorbed completely through intestinal, rectal and intravaginal routes. And after absorption, it is widely distributed throughout the body and even in body fluids like bile, saliva and breast milk. And this medicine is extensively metabolized by liver into 5 metabolites. Metronidazole and its metabolites are excreted in urine and feces. And now, uses of this medicine. This medicine is basically used to treat dental infections, GIT infections, dysentery, diarrhea, abdominal pain, weight loss, lung cancer, inflammation, skin infections, mouth infections and stomach pain. And now, side effects. Whenever we excessively use this medicine, then this medicine will show some serious side effects that are convulsions and seizures, mean, irregular and involuntary movement of body, depression, headache, vomiting, constipation and urine darkness. And now, contraindications mean the conditions in which a person is restricted to use this medicine. And the contraindications of this medicine are: if a person is hypersensitive to this medicine, depressive, mentally ill, have liver damage and epileptic. If we highly overdose this medicine, then we will face some serious side effects that are weakness, vertigo, dizziness, diarrhea, dry mouth and constipation. And now, precautions. Take this medicine with full glass of water. If you missed the dose, please don't double the dose, just take the regular dose and store this medicine at a cool place. Metronidazole is available in thousands of brands in the world. 2 of these are Azogel and Amogel. So friends, this is all about for our today's video. Hope you liked the video and you should follow the rules and precautions of this medicine. Meet you soon in the next video inshallah. Stay tuned, keep watching and keep supporting.